Hey folks, it's 12:25 this afternoon, and that strong cold front has made its way into the valley. If you haven't noticed, let's look at the wind speeds right now. We're at 20 miles per hour in Harlingen and in Raymondville, 18 in Port Isabel, 15 in Brownsville. All those winds coming out of the north. Check out current temperatures. We're in the 50s already. 54 in McAllen, 51 Weslaco, and 50 Harlingen, and 54 also at South Padre Island. Let's take a look at future track temperatures. These temperatures are already off a little bit. 60 in McAllen, but right now we're in the mid 50s. But the idea is that we could warm up a little bit the rest of this afternoon if we do see some sunshine, especially in parts of the Western Valley. But check this out. Temperature is dropping down to the upper 40s through the overnight hours. So tomorrow morning, you're definitely going to want to have a jacket with you because it's going to be cold. Let's look at the satellite and radar. We're seeing a lot of cloud cover still in parts of the valley, and this is called undercutting. We're seeing the cold, shallow air coming in through the cold front, but there's still warm and humid air aloft. So that's kind of keeping a lid on temperatures right now as that cloud cover kind of blankets the area. But drier air could come in through the rest of this afternoon and evening hours, and that may let our temperatures drop into the upper 30s in Rio Grande City, 44 for McAllen, 43 in Harlingen. Our rain chance is only about 10% through the overnight hours, and check that out. Wind chill readings in the mid 30s for tomorrow morning. So let's look at satellite and radar. We still see all that cloud cover in South Texas, and notice that there's some breaks in the clouds already on the western parts of South Texas. That indicates that there's some drier air there, and we could see some breaks in the clouds, especially in the upper valley the rest of this afternoon. So we could still reach the 60 in some parts, but it looks like, especially in the lower valley, we may stay in the 50s for much of the day today. High pressure will settle in tomorrow, and notice that we've seen a lot of snow in parts of North Texas and Western Texas near Odessa. Let's look at this picture. Check that out. Lots of snow in Odessa for today, and this that was actually taken earlier this morning, and they're still seeing some snow out there, so could see snow accumulations up there, probably close to a foot. But check that out. 28 degrees right now in Midland, 26 in Abilene, 42 Austin, 44 in San Antonio, 50 in Laredo. So lots of cold air across the state of Texas. Future track showing that cold front pushing southward. Ridge of high pressure comes in Thursday and Friday, so we'll see sunny conditions for the rest of the week. But then temperatures actually warm up for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, back into the 80s. And it looks like next week it's still pretty warm out there. Saturday, cold front approaches the area. That cold front, unfortunately, does not make it into the valley. Right now, we're looking at a 10% chance of rain for Wednesday night and Thursday morning. That's a little bit of a disturbance that's going to come in, but that rain chance really low. And I think right now we're actually seeing some sprinkles in South Padre Island. So I think that's probably the best rain chance that we'll see for much of the day today. Future track showing that cloud cover going away through the overnight hours, allowing those temperatures to cool off in the morning. Thursday morning, pretty cold out there. Then we'll see sunny conditions by Thursday afternoon, and those conditions remain the same. Coastal forecast is showing winds out of the northwest between 15 and 25 knots, rough seas, so seas 4 to 8 feet there. That's why we have a small craft advisory. So for today, we're looking at a high of 62 degrees. That's an average high, considering temperatures may be a little bit warmer in parts of Starr County the rest of this afternoon. Breezy and cool, and we could see some sun late in the evening. So right now, temperatures forecasted low temperatures around 43 degrees, partly cloudy. It's definitely a cold night across the valley. Here's a look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We're looking at temperatures in the 60s still through tomorrow. Sunny conditions Friday. We warm back up Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday into the 80s. That's a complete look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.